Fines and costs $550. That includes a $50 late fee and $50 warrant fee. And I'm ordering 4 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. We run the program currently. We run the program 6 days a week. You pick which 4 days. Those days you got to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Add the money.
All rise. Ready for first
Ready.
I'm running and preside.
Have a seat, folks. Who do you have, counsel?
Oh, yeah, he's in. Oh, there he is. Yeah, he's fine.
Morning, gentlemen. Counsel, your parents.
I'm standing who stands to my right now. Who's stated for the record. Mike, you will.
Thank you.
Today's state, I have a problem motion to set aside. There's no objection, and then we're gonna set that plea aside and then enter the plea to the allowing this person to try and give you a little background.
Okay, I got a note that he's got some motion hearings coming up in July with Judge Patton.
Different state.
Different stuff.
Different state. Same exact thing, just different.
Different file.
I've already got that one worked out.
Okay. Nothing we can handle today then. Okay.
Unless you want to pull the files and do it. They did work it out.
Well,
Is it Romulus or Van Buren?
Van Buren.
It was, as whole.
Okay, Huron.
Huron. You don't have a written plea agreement though.
She didn't hand me one. We talked on Zoom. She put it. It's not a big deal.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So. Okay. You understand your rights after talking to counsel about your rights. You understand the options those rights give you. You understand the possible penalty of the allowing an unlicensed driver to operate. Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to that charge? Counsel, you satisfied?
Satisfied.
All right. And did you drive a vehicle on January 10, 2022 in Romulus while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? Okay. So how far did we get? All right. So he's already paid the money and everything else. So we're just going to correct the abstract.
Correct the abstract, Your Honor. He came and took care of this. He raised some other issues.
Yeah.
Just so you know, I have him in the sobriety court with Judge on over the 19th.
Good. Good.
He's working through that, and I wanted to fix these so that.
Yeah. So you can get his license. Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect.
He thought he was helping himself out by wrapping certain things up, and then ended up doing it.
Yeah. Well, he helped himself a little bit.
He helped himself a little bit. Did the day, a little more damage than he thought.
All right. Good luck in sobriety court.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a great night.
You too. How about Jason Cruz? Mr. Cruz, are you going forward today without benefit of an attorney?
Yes, sir.
All right. Looks like you met with the prosecutor and you're going to plead to fail to report, and we're going to dismiss fail to stop or identify. All right. So same possible penalty, except the original one has points. The new one doesn't. You understand that? All right. Did you read your rights? You understand those rights and the options they give you? And you understand the possible penalty? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? All right. Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on July 28, 2023?
Yes.
Were you involved in an accident?
Yes.
Did you report the accident as required by law?
Got a thing when it works when it is.
Okay. Who'd you report the accident to? No, that was the question. Did you report the accident to the police as required? Okay. I can accept your plea. All right. Anything else you want me to know? You working?
No, I'm so scared.
Okay. Well, we got late fees and penalties on this one. What's going on here? All right. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you? Fines and costs $500. Pay it today? Go downstairs and they'll tell you all your payment options. All right. Good luck. You're welcome. Enjoy your day. Is it Goggins? Did I say that right?
Yeah.
Are you going forward today without an attorney? And did you read your rights for me? You understand those rights? You understand the options those rights present to you? Looks like you made a deal with the prosecutor to plead to no valid operator's license on person. You understand the possible penalty? And you understand that when that hits your record, Secretary of State might resuspend you because that's going to tell Secretary of State that you were driving on April 8th. You understand that? So if you're in the middle of a suspension, they might extend the time period on it. It doesn't have points like drove a license suspended does, but it could still hurt you on your license. You do now. I mean, when I explain it, you understand that. Okay. All right. I can let you go back and talk to the prosecutor and see if you can convince the prosecutor to give you another deal that wouldn't have that impact. So I don't know if you were paying attention, but the attorney that was up here, what he pled his client to was allowing an unlicensed driver to operate the vehicle. The unlicensed person happened to be you, but That doesn't tell the Secretary of State that you were driving when you weren't supposed to. You follow me?
Yeah, they were.
Go back and talk to the prosecutor. Brian Strait. Mr. Strait, are you going forward today without an attorney? All right, let's see what we got. We got a couple different files and we got some paperwork. Let's see what we got. Okay, so from June 2020, we've got 2 misdemeanors: drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied, and failed to stop or identify after a property damage accident. The prosecutor says that you're going to plead to allowing an unlicensed driver to operate and fail to report.
Yes.
You understand those rights? And are you going to plead responsible to double parking? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? And have you agreed to pay $200? And you can do that today. I will dismiss all 3 of the original charges from March 8th. Any questions? You're all set. Thanks for your help. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'll do that on the B-tick. Are you working, sir? Where do you work? How long you been there?
Cyber techs, well, maintenance manager, actually a year, 16.
Okay. Full-time, right? These 3. We've got a civil infraction, failure to stop assured clear distance from that June 4th, 2020 date. That one shows $448. Are you in a position to get some payment plans set up on all this? Mr. Strait, is there anything you want me to consider before I sentence you on these files?
Yeah, the findings would be great. I think we have a lot of things covered. Right now, she's
Okay. Heather? I don't know how we got to this, but the drove while license suspended that they just bargained on, he was sentenced on September 18, 2019.
Because he does have a Romulus driver license suspended. Are you finding that one? Because he has an A, B, and C Romulus.
Nope. Oh, hold on. Oh, stuck together. Yep. Okay, that makes sense. So the Van Buren one, he's here for the money.
Everything's.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know if he was on the front.
I don't know if it's the same one or not. All right, Mr. Strait, on the fail to stop or identify, that is now a fail to report, fines a cost $450. That includes a warrant fee of $50 and a late fee of $50. On the allow unlicensed driver to operate, fines a cost $550. That includes a $50 late fee and $50 warrant fee. And I'm ordering 4 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. We run the program, currently we run the program 6 days a week. You pick which 4 days. Those days you got to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Add the money from today to what you already owe us, which is $1,700 plus. You're up to $2,760, $360. So I'm going to send you downstairs to talk about all your different payment options. We've got some options where you can work some of that money off, either with work program, community service, combination.
Do the work like this on the weekends.
We're currently running 6 days a week, so we do have Saturdays available. All right. Questions? Go downstairs and get your options. Good luck.
Over just the money, over these money funds.
Thank you. Counselor, are you ready on Flores Montes? Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. How are you today?
Wonderful.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
You look at P 64917 on behalf of the defendant. States my love. You're here to the benefit of the Spanish interpreter.
What's your name, sir? Cigar? Santiago.
It's so weird. Like,
Okay. Did I get it close, Santiago?
Santiago.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that you will accurately translate between Spanish and English and Spanish so we can all discuss this matter? All right. So counsel, if I understand correctly, we're going to dismiss all 3 of the original charges.
That is correct, Your Honor. The defendant is pleading responsible on an added count of double or $83 fines and prosecution privileges.
With already.
She's going to say that. Thank you.
Did you discuss your rights with counsel?
Yes.
You understand those rights? And are you going to plead responsible to double parking? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? And have you agreed to pay $200? And you can do that today. I will dismiss all three of the original charges from March 8th. Any questions? You're all set. Thanks for your help. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'll do that on the B tick.
Personally, I think today's hearing proves that taking responsibility can make a huge difference in court. Instead of making excuses, these defendants chose to resolve their cases and move forward. The judge didn't just hand out penalties. He explained the consequences of their actions while also giving them a chance to get back on the right path. That's how the justice system is supposed to work. Accountability with an opportunity to improve. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this courtroom breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.